In the following video, we are going to discuss when payment is due for your moving services. Your moving charges are due prior to the unload of your items. In order to continue to deliver affordable moving services and avoid not being paid for our services, all charges for the move must be completed prior to the furnishings being unloaded. We estimate the amount of time that the move will take to complete and collect payment before all items are offloaded from the truck. If payment is not made, we reserve the right according to state law to take possession of the property and hold it in storage for a fee until payment is made. Moving your items is our top priority. Please help us to continue delivering exceptional services to our valued customers.
To learn more, visit collegedudeshelpyoumove.com or give us a call. 704-266-1393. 704-266-1393. We look forward to helping make your move stress-free.